Rainforests are among the most fascinating and vital ecosystems on Earth, bursting with life and wonder. But did you know that rainforests are like a giant, natural skyscraper divided into different layers? Each layer has its unique environment and is home to a variety of incredible animals perfectly adapted to live there. Imagine stepping into a rainforest. It's not just a forest, it's a bustling world filled with vibrant sights and sounds. From the dark, damp forest floor to the towering emergent layer reaching for the skies, each part of the rainforest plays a crucial role in keeping this ecosystem alive and thriving. What makes rainforests even more amazing is their biodiversity. These lush environments are home to more than half of all the world's plant and animal species. Jaguars, toucans, tree frogs, sloths, and countless other creatures all call the rainforest home, each finding its perfect spot within this natural masterpiece. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting adventure through the rainforest's 4 layers. We'll uncover the secrets of the forest floor, explore the mysterious understory, climb into the vibrant canopy, and finally, soar to the breathtaking emergent layer. Get ready to meet the incredible animals that thrive in each layer and learn about the critical role rainforests play in our planet's health. The forest floor is the lowest layer of the rainforest, shrouded in darkness as only 2% of sunlight reaches it. This layer is warm, damp, and covered with a thick layer of decomposing leaves, plants, and fallen fruits. It's a hidden world where life thrives in the shadows. Despite the low light, the forest floor is bustling with activity. It's home to some of the rainforest's most iconic creatures, like jaguars and tigers. These powerful predators silently prowl the ground, using the dense vegetation as camouflage to hunt their prey. You'll also find smaller, fascinating creatures like ants, beetles, and termites. These tiny animals play a big role in breaking down organic material, helping to recycle nutrients back into the soil. And let's not forget about the mysterious fungi that flourish here. These decomposers grow in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from glowing mushrooms to sprawling networks of mycelium. They're vital to the rainforest's health, breaking down dead matter to enrich the soil for new growth. While it might seem quiet and still, the forest floor is teeming with life and plays an essential role in the rainforest ecosystem. Every creature and plant here works together to maintain the delicate balance of this vibrant world. Above the forest floor lies the understory, a shadowy layer of the rainforest where the air is thick and humid. With limited sunlight filtering through, the plants here have large, broad leaves to soak up every bit of light they can find. This layer is home to a variety of unique and secretive animals. One of the stars of the understory is the red-eyed tree frog. These small amphibians, with their bright green bodies and striking red eyes, hide among the leaves during the day and emerge at night to hunt for insects. Snakes also thrive in the understory, skillfully slithering through the vines and branches. The green anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world, often lurks in this layer, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Birds like the hoatzin, with its prehistoric appearance, can also be found flitting among the branches. This strange bird is known for its clawed wings as a chick and its preference for eating leaves rather than insects or seeds. The understory might be dark and quiet, but it's a crucial part of the rainforest's ecosystem. It provides a safe haven for animals that prefer to stay out of sight, while also supporting the growth of plants that are adapted to low-light conditions. The canopy is often referred to as the roof of the rainforest. It's a dense, green layer formed by the tops of trees, where branches and leaves intertwine to create a continuous cover. This layer is where the rainforest truly comes alive, as it receives the most sunlight, making it a bustling hub of activity. Monkeys are some of the most iconic residents of the canopy. Agile and playful, species like howler monkeys and capuchins swing effortlessly through the branches, using their tails for balance and grip. They feed on fruits, leaves, and insects, making the canopy their perfect playground and dining hall. Colorful birds like toucans and macaws also call the canopy home. With their bright feathers and loud calls, these birds add vibrancy to the rainforest. They use their strong beaks to crack open nuts and fruits, playing a vital role in seed dispersal. Butterflies and other pollinators, like bees, flit among the canopy flowers. These tiny creatures help plants reproduce by transferring pollen, ensuring the survival of the lush greenery. The canopy isn't just a layer of beauty, it's also a shield, protecting the lower layers from heavy rains and intense sunlight. It acts as a natural umbrella, maintaining the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem while supporting an incredible diversity of life. Towering above the canopy is the emergent layer, the highest level of the rainforest. This is where the tallest trees stretch their branches toward the sky, basking in unobstructed sunlight. These massive trees can grow over 200 feet tall and withstand strong winds, heavy rain, and intense heat. The emergent layer is home to some of the rainforest's most majestic creatures. Harpy eagles, with their powerful wings and piercing eyes, soar through this layer. They are apex predators, hunting monkeys, sloths, and other prey found in the treetops. Sloths, although typically associated with lower layers, often climb to the emergent layer to bask in the sunlight. Their slow movements and algae-covered fur provide perfect camouflage, keeping them safe from predators. Butterflies and other flying insects like dragonflies flit through the open air of the emergent layer. These delicate creatures take advantage of the wind and warmth to travel long distances across the rainforest. The emergent layer serves as a vital lookout point for animals and provides a unique microenvironment that supports life adapted to extreme conditions. It's a breathtaking and essential part of the rainforest, where survival means adapting to both the beauty and challenges of life above the canopy. Rainforests are incredibly important for maintaining balance on Earth. They are often referred to as the lungs of the planet because of their ability to absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, which is essential for all life forms. The dense vegetation found across all layers of the rainforest, from the forest floor to the emergent layer, plays a vital role in regulating the planet's climate. In addition to producing oxygen, rainforests act as natural air conditioners. The trees release water vapor through a process called transpiration, which helps to cool the surrounding environment. This natural process also helps in creating rainfall, maintaining the water cycle in regions surrounding the rainforest. Without rainforests, many areas of the world would experience much hotter and drier conditions. Rainforests also store enormous amounts of water in their ecosystem. The trees' deep root systems help absorb and retain water, preventing soil erosion and maintaining the flow of rivers and streams. This stored water is crucial for both the rainforest ecosystem and the plants and animals that rely on it. The rainforest's role in the global ecosystem is vast, from regulating climate to supporting countless species of plants and animals. Its incredible biodiversity makes it an essential part of life on Earth, benefiting all living things. The flora and fauna of the rainforest are among the most diverse on the planet. In fact, rainforests house over half of the world's plant and animal species. Every part of the rainforest, from the forest floor to the emergent layer, is teeming with life. On the forest floor, you'll find towering trees that provide shelter for a variety of creatures. Species like jaguars, tapirs, and armadillos roam this layer, finding food among the dense undergrowth. The lush ferns, mushrooms, and low-growing plants also contribute to the complex food web. As you move up into the understory, the environment becomes darker, but it's still a place of great biodiversity. Here, smaller mammals like ocelots and sloths move through the thick foliage, and colorful insects such as butterflies and beetles make their homes in the shelter of plants. The canopy and emergent layers are equally impressive, home to the rainforest's most spectacular creatures. Birds like toucans, Parrots and hummingbirds navigate the dense foliage, feeding on fruits, seeds, and nectar. Monkeys swing through the branches, while eagles soar above, making the higher layers of the rainforest a dynamic, ever-changing environment. Rainforests are home to an incredible variety of plant species, each uniquely adapted to thrive in their environment. Some of these plants have developed extraordinary features to survive the competition for sunlight, nutrients, and space. One of the most iconic plants in the rainforest is the giant kapok tree. These towering trees can grow up to 200 feet tall and have broad, umbrella-shaped canopies that allow them to absorb the maximum amount of sunlight. The kapok tree is crucial to the rainforest ecosystem as it provides shelter and food for a wide range of animals, including monkeys, sloths, and birds. Another fascinating plant is the carnivorous pitcher plant. This plant has evolved to trap and digest insects, using a specialized pitcher-shaped structure filled with liquid. The plant uses a sweet nectar to attract insects, and once they fall inside, they become trapped and are digested by the plant's enzymes. This adaptation allows the pitcher plant to survive in nutrient-poor soil. Rainforests also feature a wide variety of epiphytes, which are plants that grow on other plants without harming them. These include orchids, bromeliads, and mosses. Epiphytes get their nutrients from the air and rainfall, and they play an important role in maintaining the biodiversity of the rainforest by providing homes for smaller animals and insects. The rainforest is also home to medicinal plants that have been used for centuries by indigenous people to treat various ailments. These plants contain powerful compounds that can be used in modern medicine, and they are an important part of the rainforest's rich natural pharmacy. Rainforests play an essential role in the water cycle, helping to regulate and distribute water throughout the environment. The process starts with precipitation, where rain falls from the clouds and is absorbed by the soil, plants, and trees. Once the rain is absorbed, it is taken up by the trees and plants through their roots and moved into the atmosphere by transpiration. This moisture is then released into the air through the leaves, creating a humid environment that supports the growth of more plants and sustains the animals that rely on the rainforest. Rainforests also contribute to the water cycle through evaporation, where water from rivers, lakes, and streams rises into the air as vapor. This moisture is then carried by the wind, eventually condensing to form more clouds and rainfall. In this way, the rainforest is a vital part of the water cycle, ensuring that water is consistently returned to the environment, maintaining the health of the forest and providing water for countless species of plants, animals, and humans. The rainforest is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating ecosystems on our planet. From the towering trees in the canopy to the tiniest insect on the forest floor, each part of the rainforest plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of life. With such an incredible diversity of plants, animals, and unique adaptations, the rainforest is truly a world of wonders. It is a living, breathing environment that sustains countless species, many of which we are still discovering. The rainforest's role in regulating the climate, supporting biodiversity, and providing food, medicine, and shelter to countless life forms cannot be overstated. It's important to understand the immense value of rainforests and appreciate the beauty and complexity they hold. While many rainforest species face threats, their resilience and the delicate balance of nature continue to amaze scientists and explorers alike. As we continue to learn more about this remarkable environment, we can celebrate the wonders of the rainforest and the incredible life forms that call it home. It is a place of beauty, discovery, and vitality that will continue to inspire and awe for generations to come.